Punta kami, mag-dinner kaming lahat. Kasi nga, uuwi na sila. Back to Thailand na sila tomorrow. So, magdidespedida kami. Maria, bakit maingay? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to them. Hi. Can you say hi, Tata Shots?
Hi, Tata Shots.
Yeah. Kuya Tom. We go to Margarita Station. I don't think so. What happened? No, you have to leave that, Maria.
No, I'm not going to food, baby. I'm going to learn how to food.
She's too small. After 2 years.
I still have this.
Yeah. Can you put that in your car? We will take that later on the way home. Huh? Is it raining? Oh my goodness. I thought it's not raining. It is raining. O, kailangan na natin mag-car. Mag-car na tayo. Bring the umbrella. Umbrella. Ilan na kaya?
So,
Hindi na yan magkasya. Oh, bomb. We're going to Margarita Station. Yeah, we're going to eat. What are you
everybody's
having,
coming?
Yeah, of
What?
course.
I like my shoes though. It's even inside this. Tata, I saw in the shop that I buy my shoes. I saw a little one and a big one for me and baby Anna, but we didn't buy it yet.
Okay.
You see it? My Anna, not you.
Kain pala kami mga shots. Nandito kaming lahat. Mga pamangkin. Ayan sila. Iwalay lang kami kasi hindi kasya. May mga darating pang mga bisita. So, waiting pa natin. And my baby is having a good time. Ayan na. Yay! Happy birthday, anak! Happy birthday to you! Wow, good job! One. Later, Mario. Just wait. 1, 2. Smile. Paper. Ayan. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. I'm done. So, ito kaming lahat. Silinlin na lang yung kulang. Grazie, Mario. Perché? Solo, picture. Huh? For the despedida. Despedida for the food. Despedida. Grazie. You pay. Ang aming ulam. Tapos yung ulam nila dito. Pansit. Ano yan? Onion ring? Again. Always again, Mario. Onion ring. Yummy. Happy. Yan lang sa'yo, Kuya Chris. Yan, kain tayo. Ganun lang kumain. Oh. Oh, kanina pa ako natapos. Yung batang ito nagpo-porwisyo. Si Malia. Uy, natutuwa na naman ang bata. Oh. Baby shark daw. Harapin nak. Magsali ka, nandyan ka. Yung napilitan lang. Si Mario, nakaano lang, audience namin si Mario.